I trimmed down the tape for the mustache so it'll fit comfortably. The tape is wider than the space between my upper lip and nose, and this also provides an extra smaller strip I can then use for my wig pieces next time. Save those pieces, you'll use them. For mustaches, I find that it is best to have the mustache cover most of the upper lip, rather than sit right up under the nose. If you must make a choice, choose covering the upper lip. It looks more natural when it covers the upper lip, and you don't want to look scary or unprofessional by misplacing a mustache. You don't look like a gangster either with a pencil, mustache seeing the lips. You want to cover that. Once the lace is in place, firmly press down to ensure it sticks well.